Let's explore the InstaCuppa Espresso Coffee Maker. Its compact design is perfect for any kitchen. 1350 watts for perfect coffee. Effortless operation is a touch away with the LED panel. 1 liter water tank capacity saves frequent refills. With a 3-in-1 stainless steel Portafilter, it caters to all your brewing needs. 20 bar pressure pump with Italian technology for optimal extraction. Adjustable steam wand for perfect milk frothing. Removable dip tray makes cleaning easy. Thermoblock Technology ensures fast, efficient heating. The automatic shutdown feature keeps energy usage in check. Cup warmer enhances your espresso's taste. Look at that wonderful crema oozing out. That's your espresso done right.